how the pressure testing set points are defined. It depends on the standards regulations like NFPA and also ASME code or local regulations, because depending on the kind of the system and depending on the kind of the code that you must follow in your design, you can have different set points. For instance, if we are talking about pressure vessel, and for ASME standards we have pressure vessel DV1 and DV2, you have different set points for that. For pressure vessel DV1, according to ASME, you will define your hydrostatic test using liquid to pressurize the system as 1.3 times the maximum allowable working pressure of the vessel. If you are using pneumatic fluids, for instance, nitrogen or compressed air, you will use a set point 1.1 times the maximum allowable working pressure. If your system has a vessel classified as DV2 according to ASME section 8, you will use 1.25 maximum allowable working pressure for hydrostatic test. But if you need to use pneumatic fluid, you will use 1.15 times the maximum allowable working pressure. When we are talking about piping systems, we don't use the nomenclature maximum allowable working pressure, but we use design pressure. For piping system, the ASME defines the set points for the hydrostatic as 1.5 design pressure, and if you are using pneumatic fluids, you will consider the set point as 1.1 to 1.33 times the design pressure.